Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the essential tools that make woodworking not just easier, but more precise and rewarding. Today, we're exploring the world of wood planers, those invaluable tools that ensure your wood pieces have smooth, even surfaces and sharp edges. With so many choices available, it can be tough to determine which ones are truly the best. In this video, we're reviewing the 7 best wood planers that promise precision and smooth cuts, giving you the confidence to tackle your next woodworking project like a pro. Let's get started. Number 1. Ketiped Woodworking Edge Trimmer Hand Planer. The Ketiped Woodworking Edge Trimmer is a superb tool in the hands of any woodworker. Designed with versatility in mind, this hand planer is perfect for trimming edges and smoothing surfaces. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, allowing you to work on various angles without straining your wrist. One of the key features is its adjustable blade, providing precision cuts tailored to your specific project needs. The quality of the blade is excellent, ensuring durability and longevity, even after extensive use. Crafted with sturdy materials, the Ketiped Edge Trimmer showcases remarkable durability, making it a dependable companion in your workshop. Usability is where this tool shines. It integrates seamlessly with your hand's natural motion, promising comfort and control. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned professional, you'll appreciate its ease of use.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Saker Hand Chamfering Planer Woodworking. Next up is the Saker Hand Chamfering Planer, which stands out for its unique design, tailored specifically for making accurate chamfer cuts. This tool offers an ergonomic grip, allowing you to hold and maneuver it comfortably while ensuring exceptional control during use. The blades feature precision engineering, providing sharpness that maintains integrity even under heavy workload conditions. Notably, it comes with double-edged blades that increase the tool's lifespan, meaning less frequent blade changes for you. The build quality of the Saker Hand Planer is impressive, with a robust frame that resists wear and tear. Usability is significantly elevated by the straightforward adjustments that let you customize the cutting depth, making it suitable for different types of woodworking projects. Moreover, its compact size means you can easily store it away when not in use, but you'll likely find it hard to resist using it more often thanks to the effective cuts it delivers. Number 3. Gscit Club Wood Chamfering Hand Planer. Introducing the Gscit Club Wood Chamfering Hand Planer, a tool built for those who value both functionality and ease of use. It features a unique design that allows you to create perfect rounded edges on your woodworking projects. The ergonomic design facilitates comfortable handling, making longer projects less strenuous on your hands and arms. The blade is crafted from high-carbon steel, known for its hardness and ability to maintain sharpness for longer periods, which means fewer interruptions during your workflow. What sets the Gscit Club apart is its adjustable depth settings that enable woodworkers to achieve precise cuts with ease. This hand planer excels in usability, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced professionals. Users will also appreciate the lightweight construction, which eases the burden during extended periods of use. Plus, its durability assures you of a long-lasting tool that can take on various woodworking tasks. By integrating cutting-edge technology with user-friendliness, the Gscit Club Wood Chamfering Hand Planer ensures that every project you undertake can be completed with meticulous accuracy. Number 4. Swozzto Edge Banding Trimmer and Planer 2 PCS. Coming in at number 4, we have the Swozzto Edge Banding Trimmer and Planer Combination Set, which is perfect for anyone looking to add versatility to their woodworking toolkit. This set includes a hand planer and a precision trimmer, allowing you to handle various edging tasks with ease. Designed with user-friendliness at the forefront, the packaging features simple instructions that are easy for beginners to follow, while also meeting the demands of advanced users. Both tools in the Swozzto set feature lightweight yet sturdy construction, delivering durability without sacrificing comfort. The blade system is designed for optimal effectiveness, cutting through materials with minimal effort, while ensuring clean, smooth edges. Additionally, the adjustable parameters make it simple to customize the depth and precision of every cut, crucial for achieving that professional finish on your projects. Number 5. Jorgensen No 410 Hand Planer Woodworking. The Jorgensen No 4 Hand Planer brings a classic touch to modern woodworking. With a historical background in quality craftsmanship, Jorgensen delivers a 10-inch metal-bodied hand planer that feels just as good in your hand as it does on your woodwork. Built with a precision ground plane sole, this product ensures a smooth glide that effectively removes material while leaving a fine finish. The sturdy iron blade can easily be adjusted for different cutting depths, accommodating a range of project types. Constructed with solid materials, the Jorgensen hand planer emphasizes durability, offering years of reliable performance. The high-quality design also considers ease of use. Its shape promotes comfortable handling for prolonged sessions without fatigue. Users will appreciate the adjustable blade for fine-tuning their approach to wood planing, making it highly effective for smoothing rough or uneven surfaces. Number 6. Nadoba hand planer for woodworking. At number 6, we have the Nadoba hand planer, another outstanding contender in the realm of woodworking tools. This planer stands out with its robust build quality, featuring high carbon steel blades that ensure durability and ease of maintenance. Its well-designed body not only enhances control, but also allows you to leverage various hand positions for added comfort during intricate woodworking tasks. Thanks to its precision-engineered blade assembly, the Nadoba hand planer promises smooth results whether you're working with soft or hardwoods. One of the defining features of the Nadoba is its adjustable depth settings, which let you choose the thickness of the material to be removed instantly. The simplicity in its operation caters to both experienced woodworkers and novices looking to achieve a professional finish. Built to last, the Nadoba hand planer can handle regular use without showing signs of wear or losing its cutting sharpness over time, making it a smart addition to your toolkit. Number 7. Elesunory 9 Hand Planer Woodworking. Finally, we arrive at the Elesunory 9 hand planer, which has quickly gained recognition in the woodworking community for its user-centric design and outstanding performance. This hand planer features a comfortable grip that is designed to minimize fatigue, making it ideal for extended projects or highly detailed work. The sharp stainless steel blade is replaceable, ensuring that you can always keep cutting smooth and effective without having to invest in a new tool frequently. The compact size of this planer allows for versatility across various project sizes without sacrificing performance. You'll find its adjustable cutting depth to be a significant advantage, as it allows you to tackle different materials with ease. The Elesunory hand planer is built with a combination of durability and lightweight materials, striking a balance between portability and resilience in tough work environments. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, you'll find this tool easy to operate, making it a great choice for woodworkers in need of precision and user-friendliness. And there you have it, the 7 best wood planners for precision and smooth cuts. Each of these tools offers unique features that cater to various woodworking needs, enabling you to tackle projects with great confidence. Remember, the right planer can make all the difference in your woodworking experience, ensuring that every cut is not just good, but flawless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and woodworking tips. Happy woodworking, and see you in the next video.